Yeah, I decided to make a video about this the spark plug gap on this 1984 Crossfire. As somebody was talking to me about this decal underneath the hood, and what it says. Some people, I think their car is saying to gap the spark plugs at .035. I don't know if you'll be able to read this or not. Mine says 0.45, and the factory service manual calls for a spark plug gap of 0.45. But this is about vehicle emissions. This is not about optimal performance. This is about meeting the government's emission standards. And I don't know if your HEI distributor on this 1984 Crossfire is up to snuff and it's working as it was designed to, it can put out 40,000 to 50,000 volts, which is way more than enough to fire up the spark plug at a gap of .045. You know, if you want to run it .035, you know, that's your choice. But this car right here, this 84 Crossfire, fires right up, ice cold. Fires right up on the first start and runs really smooth. That larger gap of .045 is going to make this car much easier to start when it's cold or when it's in extremely cold weather.